Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to flip image in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then select photo what you wanna flip. Let's say this one. Then you need to click at the edit at the middle bottom. And right here on Android devices, right here we have a flip icon. You can also just change these features here, select some another mods, but you still have this button at the top. And you just tap the button, as you can see, flip it, then we can save it as copy, and right now we have two photos. Right here, original one and edited. Okay, now let's move to the iPhone. On iPhone, open Google Photos, then select photo, edit, and you cannot flip it. You cannot do this on the iPhone. Okay, let's move crop tools. So in the crop we have options to rotate or change size, but right here we haven't flip icon. Tools, adjust, as you can see, nothing. But you can flip it in your gallery. So you need to or save this photo. Then let's move to the gallery, this photo, and right here we can flip it. You need to click at the crop at the bottom, and right here we have the icon to flip this picture. So let me click on it and then click done. And now this picture flipped. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.